welcome to Acing Academy's YouTube channel. So in this video, we'll be talking about the new recruitment opportunity which has been released by Indian Army over here for 142nd Technical Graduate Course TGC 142 for January 2026. Now for this particular course, what they have done is they have made an invitation for unmarried male engineering graduates. Commencing with this particular course will be commencing in Jan 2026, Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, for a permanent commission in the Indian Army for technical positions specifically. Eligibility is that you need to be an Indian national or Nepal and maybe of Indian origin, migrated from Pakistan, Burma, Sri Lanka, East African countries of Kenya, Uganda, and the Union Republic of Tanzania, Zambia, Maldives and Zaire, and Ethiopia and Vietnam specifically, and all other considerations as well. The age limit maximum is 27 years, 20 to 27 years as of on 1st of January 2026. Keep this in mind. Right now we are in 2025. This is 2026. So your calculation of your age will be with respect to the 1st Jan 2026. Candidates born between specifically 2nd Jan 1999 and 1st Jan 2026, both dates inclusive, right? So they have specifically mentioned this. Apart from that, special emphasis, mismatch in the name of the stream. Any variation between the nomenclature of the stream as given on the degree or mark sheet that's submitted by the candidates in the online application will result in the cancellation of the candidate. Whatever names of the engineering streams have been mentioned over here, we will be witnessing that those names only should be mentioned on your engineering degree. This is a very important consideration which they have mentioned. Sometimes there are allied branches problems, the name problems which come forward, especially in the government departments. They have specifically mentioned over here. Variation in name also. Particulars, spelling, name spelling, right? Candidate's name, parent's name mentioned on the educational or education documents, whatever it is, it should be accurate. If it is not accurate, go to your academic section of your college and make it accurate. Right? That is very, very essential. Carry of degree or professional degree or mark sheet also should be considered. So there will be a minimum physical standards which are required to be fulfilled among the students as well. 2.4 kilometer run should be within the 10 minutes and 30 seconds. Push-ups, at least 40 push-ups you will be able to do in one go. Pull-ups, 6 pull-ups you should be able to do. Sit-ups, 30 sit-ups. Squats, 2 sets of 30 repetitions. Lunges, 2 sets of 10 repetitions you should be able to do. And swimming also, should know fundamentals of swimming. All the physical requirements have been mentioned over here. Educational qualification for applying. Candidate who have passed the requisite engineering degree course or are in the final year of engineering degree can apply over here. All final year appearing candidates whose final year or final semester exam will be scheduled after 1st Jan 2026 are not eligible, right? So 8th semester students whose examination has not been conducted yet, you can't apply, right? So for induction to pre-commission of training, pre-commission training academy after final selection, the minimum education qualification is passing of BE BTech in the engineering streams notified in the para 3. Final semester or year studying candidates will be provisionally allowed to appear in SSB subject to the following: their cumulative percentage of the marks in the 6th, 3rd. So, okay, they have mentioned this, that the final semester students can apply, but subject to the fact that their cumulative percentage of marks up to the 6th semester, up to the 3rd year engineering degree, or up to the 8th semester, 4th year of BE Architecture, BE Arch students, and up to the 2nd semester of 1st year of MSc students is not below the approved cutoff percentage in the respective streams. So that cutoff should be maintained. Now, vacancies, the candidates must note that only the engineering streams and their acceptable equivalent streams, strictly as notified in the table below, will be accepted. Now, what are the streams? So, if the core engineering stream is civil, so engineering streams which are listed in this civil building construction technology, these will be applicable. Equivalent engineering streams will be civil engineering, civil structural engineering, building engineering, building and construction technology, civil and rural engineering, civil engineering and planning, civil infrastructure, civil technology, construction engineering and management, construction technology, geoinformatics, civil and environmental engineering, civil engineering, environmental pollution control, environmental engineering, environmental sciences. All of these will be applicable. So it's a positive sign. Okay. Computer science core engineering students. Okay. So other than that, computer technology students, computer science engineering, 3D animation graphics, advanced computer applications, computer and communication engineering, computer engineering and application, computer networking, computer science and technology. All these nomenclatures will be allowed. Right? So this is very, very important. And in civil, how many number of vacancies are there? These for 8 over here, and for computer science 6. Apart from that, yeah, so for electrical electronics, okay, so electronics people are also applicable in computer science. They have mentioned over here. Electronics and computer science, computer science, all you are applicable. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science program, data science engineering, all of these will be applicable. Electrical people, electrical electronics, electrical instrumentation, electrical power systems engineering, electrical and mechanical engineering, electrical and power engineering. You can read out on this. It is available, first of all, notification on the official website, and I'll try my best that this notification is attached in the description box below as well. Right? Electronics people, all the electronics allied branches will be applicable over here. There is a very high chance that your engineering degree will be applicable over here, irrespective of the name. Right? They have mentioned a lot actually. So they have tried to cover all the engineering streams, even for mechanical engineering. As you can see, mechatronics people also applicable. Right? Industrial engineering students also applicable. Apart from that, miscellaneous engineering streams, architecture, plastic technology, remote sensors, ballistics, biomedical engineering, you will be applicable. Architecture engineering and their required domains. Also metallurgical engineering as well. It is there. Now, selection process, shortlisting of the application, integrated headquarter of MOD Army reserves the right to shortlist the application and to fix the cutoff percentage. So they have not justified it over here, what will be the cutoff percentage and everything. After that, center allotment will be based upon, again, discretion of the Army. The shortlisting of the application, the center allotment will be intimated to the candidate via their email. So once you register it, you will be allowed for that. Apart from that, medical examination, please visit www.joinindianarmy.nic.in for medical standards and procedure and medical requirements, right? Training will be for 12 months over here. Cost of training, you need to submit, I guess, 16,260 rupees. That will be refunded actually. Right? And all of these are the ranks, promotion criteria they have mentioned. So if you want to apply, you can apply over here, and your grade pay, your stipend will be 56,100 rupees per month, and starting pay in the level 10 of the pay matrix. Apart from that, other allowances are also mentioned, as you can see, right? And transportation allowances, DNS allowances, uniform allowances, all of these are mentioned if you are willing to go for Indian Army. Many people want to go for that. So candidates are required to apply on the official website, joinindianarmy.nic.in. They have to register over there. Officer entry, apply online, apply or /login. We will click on registration, and then you can go and apply, save and continue, and then submit the final form. they have specifically mentioned all the details corresponding to that. The documents are required which are to be uploaded. They should be self-attested, right? Final year worksheets, mark sheets, original documents, proper scanning is required to be done. Apart from that, there can be a change in the date also that will be mentioned, that will be notified to you through email. Online application will be open from 30th of April 2025 and it will go until 29th of May 2025. So this month is a very important month in regard of your online submission of the form, right? So go to the official website and apply. It's a wonderful opportunity for all the engineering students. Thank you very much for watching. For further updates, please subscribe to our channel and do share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.